In this video, I will show you how to get Expressvpn coupon code. Make sure you have the Expressvpn app installed on your mobile device. If not, download it from your app store. Launch your web browser and type in expressvpn.com in the search bar. Explore the website to find current deals. You will notice that you can save up to 49% on their 12-month plan. Tap on Get ExpressVPN today to view the available plans. You will see various options, including a special deal of $667 per month for 12 months plus 3 months free, along with other plans like 1 month for $12.95 and 6 months for $9.99 each. Using your web browser to search for the Expressvpn coupon code, click on the first link that appears in the search results. This link usually leads you to a page where you can claim Expressvpn's 49% discount and get 3 months for free. On the page, you will see a red Claim Exclusive Deal button. Click on it to ensure the deal is highlighted green on the next page. Follow the prompts to complete the checkout process. Once done, you can activate Expressvpn. If needed, click on Get 49% off Expressvpn now to avail of the discount. You will now be able to use Expressvpn for your online activities. Enjoy a 30-day risk-free trial period to test out Expressvpn services. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Expressvpn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.